So continuing with the chapter that we left behind yesterday, जो कल छूट गया था उसी के साथ हम आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. Okay, the chapter was chapter number 6 of the book Moment, that is the Weathering the Storm in Irkama. It was the chapter of a boy named Prashant who was stuck in a cyclone. एक cyclone आ गया था उनके village के आसपास के एरिया में and he was stuck in a different town. अपनी family से अलग था वो. How he reaches his family, कैसे वो सब परेशानियां देखता है and he turns to be a social worker and he works for the people who were, we can say, who were suffering from this. Okay, so weathering the storm in Irkama. इसलिए हमने जहाँ तक किया था, we did till the point when Prashant came back to his village. जब वो village वापस आता है, and he searches for his family, and whom does he meet first? At the Red Cross shelter, he is able to meet his maternal grandmother. That is वो अपनी नानी से मिलता है, and the nanny was very eager. She came running to him. She outstretched her hand and just hugged him and said, "Oh, thank goodness that you are alive. We have taken you to be dead." हमें तो लगा था कि शायद तुम अब बचे नहीं हो, पता नहीं तुम कहाँ चले गए. So quickly this word spread and all the extended family members gathered around him. They hugged him tightly. Prashant anxiously scanned his small battered group. His brothers, his sisters, his uncles, his aunts, they all seemed to be there and all were happy. All were very happy to see him. So till this point we did yesterday and now see next अब क्या होता है. By the next morning, as he took in the desperate situation in the shelter, he decided to get a grip over himself. He sensed a deathly grief settling upon the 2,500 strong crowd in the shelter. 86 lives were lost in the village. All the 96 houses had been washed away. It was their fourth day at the shelter. So far, they had survived on green coconuts, but there were too few to the ground, such as tumblet of people. Now he says, by the next morning, as he took in a desperate situation in the shelter, and so looking at the situation, he decided that he is going to grip over himself. So he decided to get a grip, and he sensed a deathly grief, and deathly grief was set upon him. That is 2,500 strong crowd in the shelter was there. 86 lives were lost in the village. For a village to lose 86 lives is a very big quantity. So 86 lives were lost in the village. All the 96 houses had been washed away. कितने घर थे ना सब washed away हो गए. It was the fourth day. उनका fourth day था at the shelter. It was their fourth day at the shelter. उनका shelter पे ये fourth day था. So far they had survived on green coconut, and so far we can say कि वो किससे survive किए हैं? They have survived on the green coconut, but there were too few to go around such a tumblet of people. But we can say कि ये जो green coconut उनको जो मिले थे ना, they were very few. वो according to the tumblet of people, the group of people अगर आप देखते हो, so the coconut very few, बहुत कम थे. So Shan, all of 19 years decided to step in as a leader of his village. If no one else did, he organized merchants. He organized a group of youth and elderly to jointly pressurize the merchants once again to part with his rights. This time the delegation succeeded and returned triumphantly, wading through the receding water with food and entire shelter. No one cared that the rice was already rotting. Branches from fallen trees were gathered to light a reluctant and slow fire on which to cook the rice. For the first time in the 4 days, the survivors at the cyclone shelter were able to fill their bellies. His new task was to organize a team of youth volunteers to clean the shelter of filled urine, vomit, and floating carcasses and to tend to the wounds and fractures of many who have been injured. Now see what happened. ये यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं that Prashant, all of 19 years, he was only of 19 years old. he decided to take a step as a leader of the village. And if no one else did, अगर कोई और नहीं करता, he organized a group of youth and elders. They jointly pressurized the merchant once again to part with his rights. And this time, this delegation succeeded and returned triumphant. They revived returned triumphantly, begging through the receding water with food for the entire day. And no one said, किसी ने भी परवाह नहीं करी that the rice was already rotting. ये जो rice है वो already it was rotting क्योंकि खराब हो चुका है. No one cared about it. Branches from fallen trees they all were gathered. इसलिए एक reluctant और एक slow सा fire तो reluctant क्यों होगा? Because वो जो है trees जो है वो गीले हो चुके हैं और गीली wood पे तो बहुत मुश्किल होगी ना. So it's going to be a reluctant fire and a slow fire, but they are still going to burn it, on which they are going to put the rice. For the first time in the last 4 days, the survivors shared their cyclone shelter. They were able to see their rice. They were able to see their stomach. उनको खाने के लिए खाना मिला. Now, after this, what happened? This new task up now the bellies of the people were filled भर गया उसका जैसे जैसे जिस भी समय तरह का खाना आया but was there. Now the next task comes. Now what is the next task? Next task was to organize a team of youth volunteers. To organize a team of youth volunteers, and what this youth volunteer team is going to do? They are going to clean the shelter because there was a lot of dirt in the shelter and then they are going to clean the shelter. They are going to clean the shelter of the being of the moment and that floating जो हम कह सकते हैं dead body जो floating है that cannot that is dead body of both of animals as well as human beings also and extended to the world जो भी इनको सोचने लगे हैं वो सेक्टर extend to the world that culture of many people have been injured also people have been injured जिसको क्या हुआ है सोच लगी है या जो injured हो रही है. Okay, so on the 6th day of military helicopters flew over the shelter and brought some parcels. This journey will not disturb and you task force better empty. So on the 5th day, military helicopter which flew over the shelter and dropped some food. उन्होंने वहाँ से rescue helicopter होते हैं. They were flying over the and over the place where all that happened. And they dropped some food parcels from the top. This food parcels and each then not returned. Once after 5 days they came and after that they didn't came. Means the rescue helicopter was only one time. If then did not return after that they did not return, you start together and see from the shelter. Now, because they needed help, they planned something now. What the plan? They gathered empty vessels, empty utensils from the shelter. Okay, empty utensils from the shelter and then they deputed the children to lie in the sand. Now they gathered the children, they gave them the duty, they gave the duty to the children that you have to lie in the sand left by the water around the shelter with these utensils on their stomach. वहाँ पे वो सैंड पे जो कहीं ना कहीं जो वाटर यहाँ कंज्यूम किया ना वाटर ब्रॉट द सैंड विद itself and water moved away and the sand was left over there. So water around the shelter जो पूरे shelter के आसपास तो पानी था वहाँ पे जो थोड़ा सा sand वाला एरिया था ना वहाँ पे you have to lie down and keeping the utensils on your stomach. आप इस पिक्चर में देख पाओगे अर्लियर आपने ये पिक्चर देखी है लुक एट दीस किड्स ये किस तरीके से सो रहे हैं एम्प्टी यूटेंसिल्स ऑन देयर स्टमक. So this was just to pass a message. ये एक मैसेज पास करने के लिए था that we are hungry and we need food. Just to communicate to their passing helicopters that they were hungry. Just to pass this message to the passing helicopters that they were hungry. उन्हें भूख लगी है and they need food. Now the message got through. The message passed through and after that a helicopter made regular rounds of the shelter, airdropping food and other basic necessities. Now the message was really communicated. It got through and after that The helicopter made regular rounds of the shelter, airdropping the food and other basic necessities. वो food और जितनी भी basic necessities थी ना, वो सब चीजें वहां पे drop करके जाते थे. Prashant found that a large number of children had been orphaned. Prashant ने क्या found किया? That large number of children had been orphaned. He brought them together and put up a polythene sheet. Now, what he did, Prashant found that large number of children were orphaned because किसी के parents जो है इस drought के कारण, इस तूफान के कारण सारे जो है they must have died, so children have become orphaned, and he brought them together and put up a polythene sheet shelter for them. A polythene sheet shelter बनाया for the kids, for the orphaned children. Now उसने क्या किया? Then women were given the duty, they were mobilized just to look after them, look after these orphaned children. Women were given the duty कि आपको इन बच्चों को look after करना है. ये वो बच्चे जिन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स को लूज किया है, you have to look after them. While the men secured food and material for the shelter. While what the men were doing, women were looking after the children and men were roaming for in the finding, we can say, to find the food, and they were, while the men, they were busy securing the food and material for the shelter, and women were looking after the children. And which children? The orphan children which were gathered by Prashant under a, we can say, polythene sheet shelter. As the weeks passed, Prashant was quick to recognize that women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. And as the weeks passed on, as the time passed on, Prashant was very quick in recognizing things. And he recognized that the women as well as the children, they were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. कि वो बहुत दुख में डूबते जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो बहुत दुख में डूबते जा रहे हैं. Now what happened? जब उसने ये चीज देखी, he persuaded the women to start working in food for work program started by an NGO. He told the women that there is a program being run by the NGO. The name of the program is Food for Work program. So he told the women, even not in fact, we can say he forced the women, he persuaded the women to start working for this program. And for the children, he organized sports event, and to keep the children busy, to get them out of their depressed sort of life, he organized few sports events for the children. He himself loved to play cricket, and so he organized cricket matches for children. He himself was a cricket lover, and that is why he organized cricket matches for the children. Prashant engaged with other volunteers in helping the widows and children to pick up broken pieces of their life. So this was another activity in which Prashant was engaged, that is with other volunteers. He was busy helping the widow women and the children just to pick up the broken pieces of their life, because those who have lost, those orphan kids who have lost their parents, उनकी भी life जो है, we can say, is broken. And secondly, into pieces. And secondly, the women who must have lost their husbands have become widow. Their life is also broken in pieces. So Prashant was engaged in another kind of activity, that is, he was helping out these widows and children just to pick up the broken pieces of their life. The initial government plan was to set up institutions for orphans and widows. The initial plan for the governmental plan was to set up institutions for orphans and widows. However, this step was successfully resisted. As it was felt that in such institutions, children would grow up without love and widows. So the initial government plan was to set up an institution for the orphan and widows, and however, this successful step was successfully resisted, and it was felt that in such institutions, the children would grow up without love, and the widows and the widow women would suffer from the stigma and loneliness. And it was said, so the plan resisted. They said that in such kind of institutions, the women are going to grow up without love, and the widows are going to suffer stigma and loneliness. That is, they are going to become lonely. Prashant group believed orphans should be resettled in their own community itself, possibly in new foster families made up of children widows and children without adult care. So Prashant's group believes that the institution is not the right way to get these people settled down, but in fact the orphans should be resettled in their own community itself. उन्हें उनकी ही community में हमें भी settle करना चाहिए. Possibly in a new foster families जिसके अंदर childless widows हों and children जिनके children without adult care. तो उस जगह पे हमें इनको settle करना चाहिए. And it is 6 months after the devastation of the super cyclone. This time Prashant's wounded spirit has healed simply because he had no time to bother about his own fate. His handsome youthful face is what the widows and orphan children of his village seek out most in their darkest hour of the grief. So it is 6 months after the devastation of the super cyclone. This time the Prashant Khana was wounded spirit. Prashant की जो wounded spirit थी has healed. वो heal हो चुकी थी simply because he had no time to bother about his own plan. क्योंकि उसके पास समय नहीं था to bother about his own plan. His handsome youthful face and his very handsome and youthful face is what जो widows और जो orphan children जो थे ना वो all the time they were seeking out for his face, for his beautiful, for his soothing face in the darkest hour of grief. In we can say in real sense हम कहना चाहते हैं कि प्रशांत की लाइफ जो थी उन लोगों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई थी एंड प्रशांत उन लोगों की लाइफ का एक बहुत ही वी कैन से अनअटैचेबल पार्ट बन चुका था. दैट इज वाई कि उनको कभी भी कोई परेशानी होती थी, कोई प्रॉब्लम होती थी, देवर ऑलवेज लुकिंग अराउंड. वो हमेशा हर तरफ किसको देख रहे होते थे? देवर जस्ट लुकिंग अराउंड फॉर प्रशांत. को प्रशांत को ही देखते थे स्पेशली अपनी दुख की घड़ी में. उन्हें कौन चाहिए होता था साथ देने के लिए? दे रियली नीडेड Prashant in the darkest hour of grief. Darkest hour of grief. Written by Harsh Mander. बहुत ही interesting story थी. It was very very interesting. So, is any query regarding the story? आप एक बार hand raise करो. Otherwise, then we will move on to the question and answer. Yes, any query? Okay, तो सबको समझ में आया? Then raise your hand if you all have understood the chapter nicely. At least do one thing. If understood the chapter nicely, then also raise hand. If there are no queries, it's okay. But if you have understood the chapter nicely, raise. Very good. Very good. So we are going to do this question answer part, and you are going to answer. You answer. What havoc has the super cyclone ended in the life of the people of Hindustan? So who is going to answer this? What havoc has the super cyclone landed in the life of the people of Hindustan? In short, we will answer in one two words or one two lines. आपको क्या लगता है जो सुपर साइक्लोन जो आया था उड़ीसा महाबलीपुर की लाइफ में क्या कर दिया? It has devastated the life of the people. People have lost their home. Many people have lost their lives. They have lost their cattle. Everything has been lost and drowned in the water. And we can say the cyclone was very devastating for the life of the people of India. Secondly, how has Prashant been able to help people of his village? What all things Prashant did in order to help these people of his village? Prashant ने क्या किया? Yes, बताओ क्या किया? Who will give the answer and what all Prashant did? Yes, who will answer? Raise your hand. Yes, why done? So we can say that when Prashant reached to the village, he really found a deplorable condition all around him and he had the leadership quality. He already had the leadership quality. So what he did, he took up the initiative to rehabilitate the people. He made a team of young volunteers and to help of them clean the shelter of weekly government duties, totally everything and his team was fully dedicated to serve them. And he even found a way to teach people women to look after children and this way he becomes a real hope for all the people. In fact, for all the women who can't do that, She was the ray of hope. Question number 3. How have the people of community helped one another? What role did the women of Calcutta play in this? So how are the people they help? Firstly, the transmission to the people of this village together to took the initiative and mobilize everyone to help one another. And in the time of this people of the community joined hands together and they started doing work. The movement started working in their lives. That is, they started working for a food for work program and also they started the orphan children. So in this way, the people of the community got together and then one another. Question number 4. Why did Krishnan and other volunteers resist the plan to set up institutions for orphan children? What alternatives do they consider? Now, why did Krishnan and other volunteers, Krishnan had a बाकी volunteers, why were they resisting the plan to set up institutions for orphan children? Who resisted the what alternatives did they consider? So, why were they against to some and the other volunteers, we can say they resisted the plan of education for orphans and widows. Why? Because she felt that it would not be proper to separate, have set up of separate institution for orphans and widows. This group also gave the opinion that in these kinds of institutions, children would not be able to get love, and widows are the loneliness and stigma of isolation. The group decided they are going to rehabilitate them in their own community. Families were to be made, and families were ideal. And the children will look after or took care of the others. ठीक है तो यहाँ पे new families were being grouped to बच्चों की care है बच्चों को पास करते हैं कौन से बच्चे orphans so next is do you think that is do you think to answer the good leader do you think people young people can get together to help people do that yes, we can say undoubtedly Krishnan was a great leader, good leader. We all know he has all the qualities of leader. He has special qualities of initiative. पहले तरह के खास qualities for them. His vision is quite clear. His change adverse circumstances pervade him, and he is a source of energy for all the others. And that is why I have great political power, and I think that youth is the power. And yes, it's true over here that the young people can get together to help people because they are they are part of power, and this power can say can use to assist society in natural disaster. Whatever job the scientists do, they do in such a system they perform their duty without with good spirit and say ये जो रूट होता है ना ऐसे कम्युनिटी में रूट होता है he has been assigned to the duty and वो अपनी assigned की हुई duty को बहुत अच्छे से execute करता है in all the circumstances such as this promise of this charity I think and he is grateful okay so these were the questions very easy MCQ questions आपने answer नहीं दिए but I did it yes let us hear from today now, yes, somebody is raising their hand. Yes, Divya, unmute yourself and ask what you are. Nothing you want to ask. I think by mistake your hand was raised, right? Chalo.